What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. So today's video finally gonna be the little grocery haul and fridge stock video. This is the first time I'll be buying groceries for my apartment. Your girl finally got her stove, so there's no excuses now. I gotta go buy my groceries so I can stay home and cook and stop buying food and stop eating leftovers. Yeah, I'm excited. I just remembered that today's Friday, one of the worst days to go to the supermarket. So you know, some of I left out this until about 4:30. But alas, here we are. I don't even have a list. I think when I get in there, I'll just go aisle by aisle and see what we need at this point, because I brought shopping bags this time. Let's go. Well, people, I am here and it begins. Already seeing things that I don't need, and I'm gonna buy it anyway. So these almond cranberry thingies, I'm gonna get like 3 of them.
No, Peter,
Huh?
Then I like no Peter.
I'm not bidding anybody.
Okay.
Not them trying to tell me I can't record. I know that. Come take my camera. Come take it away. I'll take up 3 tiny milk. Not the security walking up and looking at me. I feel like coming out. I feel harassed, actually. Because if it was my phone, nobody would say shit to me. And I'm very annoyed, actually. Mango or regular? They had a hot and spicy ketchup, but they don't have it in here. I think I'm done. I'm not gonna overdo it. I think I overdo it a little bit because this is not normally what I buy on a daily, but I think because, well, not daily, but monthly. But this is because it's my first time. I need to get back everything that I had before. So yeah, let's see how much it come up to. It might pass 20 grand actually. Yeah, man, I'm done. Me go home. Alright, so we're home and we're in the kitchen and it's time to get the bags. And let's unbox grocery haul. Yeah, that's the one. So I don't even know where to start. Like, where do I even start? Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take everything out and put the price of each item on the screen, and then at the end I'll reveal the actual bill, because see here? See here. Let's see how fast we can run through all of these items, okay? First thing we have is some Scott, what do you call this? Scott paper towel. To me, this is the next best thing to Bounty. Bounty kind of pricey, you know? But I like good quality napkins, so I don't have to tear off like 5 pieces of ply in order to wipe up something. I can literally just use 1 or 2, which is just as good. So that's that. We have some aluminum foil. This is diamond. This one says non-stick. I don't know if this is the one I usually buy. I've never actually looked at it in that much detail, but yeah. But I use chiffon. I got the medium size because apparently there's even a larger one than this. Did not know that. I got 3 mac and cheese because I like to buy things in 3s, plus it's a little bit cheaper, not by much, but you know, like a value pack. I don't really even like milk, but I got 3 boxes of milk, the tiny ones. 3 Alaska sweet corn. I normally get Grace, but I didn't have any, so I had to get this one. 3 hot and spicy mackerel because I like mackerel. That's it, that's all. 3 Brunswick tuna, and this is the one that's flaked with sweet corn. I absolutely love this tuna. Between this and the spicy Thai one, absolutely love it. But they didn't have any of the spicy Thai one in the supermarket, so I ended up getting this brand, and this is Bumblebee, and this is the spicy Thai chili. This is normally the one I get in the Brunswick, but we'll see what this is giving. You got eggs, a dozen eggs. This is a dozen, right? A dozen is 12. 6 and 6, 12, right? Grace, tomato, ketchup. They normally have the hot and spicy one, but I, again, couldn't find that. Friday is one of the worst days to go to the supermarket. Everything is just gone. Spur Tree Scotch bonnet sauce. I almost thought that this was not the one that I usually get because they changed the packaging just a little bit. I always put this in every single thing I'm eating. I don't care what it is. this has to be in it. Soy sauce, it gets the job done. And it's cheap, so why not? Best thing for my fried rice. This is new to my monthly shopping, but I found this sweet chili sauce. Yeah, I have no reason why I really got this, but I got it. I could have easily made something like this with chili flakes and sugar and the hot sauce and all of that, but why do all of that when I can just get it? You know, don't be like me. Actually buy things that you need. And after you buy things that you need, get things that you want. This is a part of the reason why my bill is done. Alright. Pancake syrup. I love me some pancakes. Vanilla. I also put vanilla in my pancakes and in my porridge. 3 corned beef, all-purpose flour, white vinegar, and here comes the seasoning. So we have all-purpose seasoning. Sorry, I normally like beta pack, but I didn't see any. Honestly, I never looked. I just saw this one and took it up. Black pepper, garlic powder, jerk seasoning, garlic. Oh my gosh, I took up 2 garlic powder. It's giving slow. And another garlic powder. But hear me out. This one is the ginger garlic pimento. Really and truly, I should have just gotten this instead of both of them. So yeah. Check on the things when you know I buy them here. Yeah. Listerine, panty liner, Kraft mayonnaise, spaghetti, creamy pasta, Lasco. I like the Lassoy version. I use this sometimes when I'm making cereal instead of this milk because, as I said, I don't really like this, but I like to use this when I'm cooking. Coconut milk powder, condensed milk. I only got one because I don't use that much. Brown sugar, mashed potatoes. You know, I've always been telling you guys about this mashed potato in a bag, but I've got 3 different flavors this time. So this one is the 4 cheese. This one is roasted garlic, and this one is butter and herb, and it's by the brand Betty Crocker. Bread, cooking cream, I like to use this for my pasta. Yogurt, by the brand Activia. It supports gut health. My doctor said I should try these, so I picked up mixed berry and strawberry to see how I would like them. I didn't want to buy any more than this. 2 nacho cheese, salt, Mexican cheese blend, pancake mix, basmati rice, I got 3 of them, turkey bacon, and it was only 2 left. I was actually going to get 1, but because I only saw 2 left, and sometimes I know how hard it is to get these, I decided to grab them both. Butterfish fillet, chicken breast, and it's about, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spicy chicken franks, a little pretzels, snack. Almond cranberry chewy granola bars, I got 3 of them. And last but not least, a bottle of water. And that's everything that I got. Let me know what you think in the comments. If everything was worth it, what do you think was overpriced? Because I don't know, for some reason I don't really have any sense of, I don't really know what nothing costs. If I have to buy something, I just have to buy it, and I just buy it. So I don't know. Now for the final reveal, how much all of this costed. My total came up to $31,311. That is the most I've ever spent at a supermarket, and when I tell you I was clutching my heart when I left, because I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna go general food and get more things than this for less. So you know what I'm going to do? Next time I go grocery shopping, I'm gonna go to General Foods and, you know, buy the same things and compare prices, and whichever is cheaper, that's where I'm gonna go. This is crazy. 79 items. I saved $388. But yeah guys, that wraps up that. I'm gonna be putting them in the fridge now and in the cupboard and all of that wonderful stuff. So yeah. Editing Shell here. You know, say, we can't manage Uptown, you know. Can't manage Uptown, me too enough. Me too enough. Because I don't normally shop here when I'm doing those big shopping. I go here when I want fancy things. I look at 1 to 5 fancy things. But no, I'm enough. $31,000? And my fridge is not full? My fridge is not full. I will definitely be going to a different supermarket next time and comparing these prices because I still can't get over this. The only thing that is filling up the fridge right now are the little rum punch them want to see. And that was not bought. That was not bought with my money. Imagine if that never in the fridge. The fridge would look so scanty and empty, my shame. No little grape, no little apple, no little nothing. The lights have arrived here and look out for me. Hey, I'm done.